We are pleased to show you the 2025 Legacy. The Subaru Legacy offers a roomy interior and a dynamic drive you feel every second you're in the driver's seat. It's a refreshing alternative to the alternatives. This vehicle has less than 7,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, daytime running lights, integrated turn signal mirrors, LED headlights, four-wheel disc brakes, brake assist, variable speed, intermittent wipers, Bluetooth. Come see the car for yourself.